Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, I am Sher lakho, lecturer, Government Degree College, Kandia. I would like to teach you about enzymes. Now, word enzyme is taken from the Greek word. It is taken from Greek word. It is combination of two words. Combination of how many words? Combination of two words. In plus zyme. The word in means within. In means within. Zyme means yeast. It means within the yeast. It means within the yeast. It means within the living organism. It means within the fungi. It means within the yeast. So, what is the definition of the enzymes? Enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up the chemical reactions in the living organisms. They help to accelerate the rate of reaction of the living body. Now, characteristics of enzyme. I would like to write here the definition of enzyme. Definition. Simple definition of enzyme is enzymes are organic chemicals. These are organic chemicals. These are organic chemicals. Speed up the rate of reactions of living system. Now, what is chemical reaction of living system is called? The chemical reactions of the living system is called metabolism. 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 What is metabolism? Metabolism is the reactions of the body. Now, what is the function of enzyme? Enzymes, they help in metabolic reactions of the body. Simply we can define it as those chemicals, they help in the metabolic activity of the body is called enzymes. Now, what are the characteristics of enzyme? What are characteristics of enzyme? Write down the characteristic of enzyme. Characteristics of enzyme. These are proteinous in nature. These are proteinous molecules or proteinaceous chemicals. Proteinous molecules. These are specific. These are specific in nature. They work on specific substances. The substances on which they work called substrate. Substrate. Now, what is substrate? It is the substance on which enzyme acts For example, glucose is a substance, carbohydrates are substances, proteins are substances, lipids are substances on which enzyme works. There is specific enzyme for specific substrate. Now types of enzymes. Now types of enzymes. Types of enzymes. There are two types of enzymes. Number one is protoenzyme and holoenzyme or conjugated enzyme. Protoenzyme is that enzyme which is made up of only protein. It is made up of protein only. Holoenzyme is an enzyme which contains two substances. One is proteinous part and other is non-proteinous part. Proteinous part is called apoenzyme and non-proteinous part is called prosthetic group. The prosthetic group is of two types. One is called organic and other is called inorganic. So on the basis of presence of organic and inorganic substances in the enzymes, holoenzyme may be coenzyme as well as cofactor. Now what is coenzyme? Coenzyme is a substance that is made up of protein and organic substance of the prosthetic group. So it is sufficient for today. Thanks.